Today is going to be an unboxing of my new sewing machine. I'm so excited. It has lots of stitches and I'm going to unbox it and I'm going to test it with you guys. I gave away my old sewing machine to a friend that is starting sewing, so good luck to you. Let's get to it. So this is the box. We're going to open this beautiful sewing machine. It's a Soprano baby lock, model BLMSP. So big. Cardboard. Gentle with the knife. So we got these things to put the thread on. Pouches with the accessories like feet. Power! Instruction manual. Styrofoam. In case you are wondering, it is recyclable. A bag, probably to put all your accessories in. The pedal, okay, here it is. This beast. There's a box in a box. Nothing else but a piece of styrofoam. Better one will have to remove this box. Another box in the box. I think this is the table extender. Yes, it is. Table extender. So this is what it looks like, and then I'm gonna take off all these tapings. I'll be back. Done. And this, can you see? These are all the stitches that this machine does. Oh my god, I'll do a close-up. This machine does all these and these and these, even the alphabet and Japanese hiragana and katakana, which is the reason why I bought this machine. Beautiful. Now let's put the power on. Now with this sewing machine, you can start and stop with this button here, but I don't like leaving my hands from my work. I'm old school like that, so I'm gonna put the pedal. Now let's turn it on. Power button on the side. It looks like a spaceship. Now I think we need to do our initial setup right here. So yes, English. Okay. Oh my god. That's it. Wow. That was easy. Okay, I'm going to try this button now for the people that want to try without the pedal. It sews all by itself. Stop. Yeah. But like I said, I don't like leaving my work, even if it's not that far. I'm going to use the pedal. Now I'm going to attempt threading the machine and doing a bobbin. So this machine comes with one bobbin. Should be in here, which is nice. So I'm going to fill this bobbin. Okay, so I think I got it. So bobbin, and then you go up here, underneath, over, through here, and then there. So, and then usually, yes. So that locks this and will not sew. So press the pedal, see if it works. Yeah! It even says here that I'm winding my bobbin. It's like, oh, what am I doing? I forgot. You're winding your bobbin. Bobbin is full, it stops. Like, it doesn't want to continue. So let's not force it. And I got a bobbin. Full bobbin. I'm so excited to try it. So that's done. Now let's thread the machine. I threaded the machine. It was many steps. So started here, up and down, underneath here, up and down, up, and then around the middle piece inside and down. Then there's a 6, 7, and 8 is cut. You can press this to self-thread, but it wasn't working for me. I'm not sure how it works, but I'll practice later. I just threaded it myself with my hands and my eye. And let's try the sewing. I got some of my remnant fabric. I'm gonna put it here. Press the button to go down. Magic! It's ready to go. Now let's decide which stitch we want. I don't want any of the first ones because those are boring. Seems cute. But we can't go to 14 on this one. It has to be 14 on this one, so we have to change the symbol. So that's a leaf. So the leaf is here. Boop. Leaf 1, and then 14. So 1, 4. Yes, perfect. It says here. Now I'm gonna press the pedal, see if it works. Looks good so far. Okay, let's stop here. Okay, so we can... That didn't work. Probably because I didn't self-thread. Oh, I did. Ah. Look at that. So nice. Now let's do a Japanese symbol. Okay, so for the Japanese, I need to press A. Do I need to press again? Yes. Yes, Japanese. Yes. Oh, so that's the hiragana ki. Sure, why not? Let's see what it looks like. I'm gonna close this. Here we go. Okay, so I sewed like this, but the kana's like this, which is important to remember. But look at that, how neat it is. Let's cut the thread. Beautiful. I love it. I'm in love. Now I have to baptize my sewing machine, give it a name, make it official. Okay, I'm gonna try buttonhole because that's what I need to do for my coat. I'm gonna install a different foot. I'll be back. I'll have to push this one. Yes, buttonhole. So I'm going to draw where I want the buttonhole to be. So then when I actually do it for real, I'll know where it starts and where it's gonna end. So here, I want it to start here and end wherever it needs to end, but I want that to be the center. Okay, so let's put the needle down. Let's start just a little bit to the right. That's how my old sewing machine worked. Let's see how this goes. Here we go. And I wait till it stops, because then I know it's done. So let's cut. Lift it. Foot. Let's see what it looks like. Look at that. Oh, nice and neat. I started here, so it's a little bit off to the right, so I'd have to like move it just a tad more to the right, and I couldn't see the bottom line, so that's probably my fault that it's a little bit up. But you know, now that I tested, I know like where to start and how it's gonna go. So it's super nice, so sharp. I love it. I love it. Okay, I want to try another stitch because this is too awesome. Okay, so let's try number 2, and then there's this cute little one that kind of looks like planets or beads on a string. So that's, yes, I want to cancel. So I want number 2, so I pressed twice. Oh, I pressed 3 times. Okay, twice, and I want stitch number 8. So 0, 8. Okay, and I'm gonna put it here. Let's press the pedal. Oh, it says lift the buttonhole lever, so I forgot to put this up. So, boop. Now we're ready to go. I wasn't sure if it was supposed to make that sound. I didn't like that sound. Maybe it's supposed to be like that. Each time it makes a big one, it does that. So I guess it's normal. Okay, I'm gonna stop it before I mix another one. I didn't like the sound of it. But it did it for every single bigger hole. Oh, look at that. Cute. I am very satisfied with this machine. I'm not used to the sound it makes, so I'm not sure like when it makes weird sounds if it's supposed to be normal, but that's a bit scary because I don't want it to break on my first day. But yeah, look at this. It looks so nice, so sharp. I'm in love. Okay, onwards to sewing. Thank you for discovering my new machine with me. I love it. Push this down. Ta-da! That's it for now. I like to put a piece of fabric when I leave, and then put the needle down for safety. That's it for now. Thank you. I recommend this machine. It works nicely. There's lots of stitches, and of course there's Japanese, which is going to be very nice for me because I have little projects that I want to do. And yeah, I'm just so excited to try them all. Thanks for joining me and my sewing machine. And happy sewing, and I'll see you soon for other videos. Bye! For discovering my new machine with me, I love it. I recommend it if you like to do lots of fancy stitches, and of course if you love Japanese. Squishy. Now I'm going to draw where I want it to start, or where I want it to be. Oh, hello. Ow. Yeah, that's a new sewing machine. You don't have to put your gloves in my leg. Ooh, it even comes with a bag to protect it from the dust. Now it looks like a ghost. Ooh.